Hi guys, in this video we'll learn how to add your event on 10 times via Organizer dashboard. Use your credentials to log into your dashboard. Once you have logged into your dashboard, you will see the home page like this. Select the companies in case you have multiple companies registered on 10 times from here. Click on this tab Add Event. Select whether it is a public event or a private event. In case of public event, your event would be published on 10 times platform. Select the type of the event you have and whether it is in person or online. Click on Proceed. Then you will see this basic information about your event need to be filled in here in this form. Please ensure that you use first letter of each word as capital letter. Select the company. Add a brief description about your event. Minimum there should be 1000 words. Select the dates. So let's say it's a 2 days event. Select the frequency of the event. Select the category. So since it's a dental conference, it would come into medical and pharma. Select the timings for your event. Select the time zone. Here you can see this add venue option is grayed out because it is applicable only for physical events. Since it's an online event, just click on submit. Once you have submitted these basic details, it will take you to event overview page. Here you can see your event strength currently is 20%, which needs to be at least 60% for it to be approved. To increase the event strength, please fill in the basic information about your event. Select the logo. You can enter the event punchline if applicable. Then you need to add at least 3 event highlights. Enter the estimated number of exhibitors and visitors. So let's say we are expecting 50 exhibitors and 1000 attendees. You can add the focus topics and services covered in this event. So let's say if we have dental equipments, one of the categories. Then this is the mandatory field. You need to enter the website of the event and submit. Now you will see in real time your event strength would increase. Moving forward, we go to agenda and schedule of the event. So from here you can add sessions, as many sessions this event has. In case of online event, you need to enter your webcast URL link. So suppose you don't have any, then you can create from here, add admin of the event. If there are more than one admin, you can always add it from here. You need to enter the full name and their email ID and the profile picture and submit. Agenda title, type of the session, whether it's a keynote session or a competition session. There are multiple categories over here. You can select whatever is applicable. Select the date of this particular session. The time of the session. Add a brief description about it. In case of your online event being hosted on Floor, you can always add your welcome video from here and the background image from here, and then click on save. You will see that instantly the links for the admin would be created. You can add speaker from here. Add the profile picture, it is mandatory. You can select, if you have multiple speakers, you can select from here and add them to session, the relevant speakers. When you will save the settings, their joining link would be created instantly, which you can share right away from here. When you click on this share, you need to enter the email ID of the speaker and just click on send. They will receive the email in the same format as below. They just need to click on this click to join tab to access the floor. Moving forward, you need to add ticketings and pricing about your event. So let's say if it's a free event, then you select free. If it's a paid event, then you select paid from here and type in these details about it. Type description, currency, and the price. Save settings. If there are more than one category of your tickets, you can add them from here. Then we move on to additions. Since we do not allow the addition number or year number in the event's name, you can add addition from here. Say it's 12th edition of this event. You can upload your photos and documents if you want them to be displayed on 10 times event page. From here, you just need to browse and drag and drop your files here. The recommended formats are given below. You can add your event banner from platform presence. So this is the banner image which would be displayed on your event page on 10 times platform. And in case of Floor, you need to upload your banner from here, high resolution app banner. The recommended image size is given here. You may add exhibitors from here. If there are multiple exhibitors, just need to click on Add Exhibitor tab. exhibitor name, company name, their website, category, and their logo. You need to enter their contact information as well. Email ID. So you can see multiple exhibitors can be added just by clicking on this Add Exhibitor tab. You can also invite them from here with this tab on floor. You just need to click on Send from here. Again, like speakers, they will get the invitation in this format on email, and they need to click on this tab to join the floor. If you have multiple speakers and multiple sessions, then you can add speaker from here. Speaker image is again must. Click on Submit. You will see in real time it would start reflecting here. Similarly, you can add your sponsors. Just click on Add Sponsor, write the name of the company, their website, and their logo. Click on Submit. So if this company is already in 10 times database, then you get the option to select from here. If it is a different company than this, then you can ask our QC team to request to create a new sponsor from here. So we select this as it is the same company and it's added. So now you can see your event strength is 85%. When you go back to your events dashboard, you can see this event in your drafts. Now to submit it for approval, you need, in case of public event, you need to enable this toggle and click on Submit for review. Now this event and draft request would reach our QC team and they would approve this event within 48 business hours. And you will see instead of draft, you can see public over here once it's approved and displayed on 10 times platform. Thank you.